things that happen on construction sites. This great place down the road. There's a nice slide in here. We're going to get the motor grader to pull him out. It's self-stop. Get him right through. Now we have to make sure they open this waterway. Hey Johnson, when they pull him out, make sure they open the waterway because the water is the only way the water can go.
Without dragging the water?
Yeah, just when they move it, make sure you open it up so we can get our free flow. Everything's good, and once person is stuck, there's definitely another machine to pull him out. Man, how you doing?
Yeah,
Yeah.